Welcome to a world where modern elegance meets the serenity of nature. Today, we'll take you through breathtaking villas, perched in stunning locations, each offering luxurious living and unparalleled views. Let's dive into this journey of architecture and natural beauty. Number 1. This stunning two-story modern villa is perched atop a rocky hill beside a calm river, bathed in golden sunset light. Surrounded by a sleek black metal fence and stone boundary wall, the home blends safety with elegance. Floor-to-ceiling windows invite nature inside, while lush landscaping with palm trees and green grass enhances the serene atmosphere. Below the cliff, a cascading waterfall flows into the river, with mist rising through the warm glow. Distant mountains, a winding road, and soft clouds complete the cinematic view, a luxurious retreat in harmony with nature. Number 2. This elegant three-story villa sits atop a scenic rocky hill beside a calm river. Each floor features spacious balconies with floor-to-ceiling glass windows, inviting natural light and panoramic views. The property is surrounded by lush landscaping, green grass, palm trees, and decorative plants, all enclosed by a strong black metal fence and stone boundary wall for safety. Below, a waterfall cascades into the river, with mist rising through the daylight. Distant mountains, a winding road, and a clear blue sky complete the peaceful, luxurious atmosphere. Number 3. This stunning two-story villa is perched on a grand coastal plateau, offering breathtaking views of the ocean at golden sunset. The architecture blends white stone textures with sleek glass and steel, surrounded by manicured lawns, tropical plants, and elegant water features. A luxurious infinity pool cascades down the cliffside, creating a serene waterfall that reflects the golden light. The property is enclosed by a modern glass fence, ensuring safety without blocking the view. With rolling hills, distant cliffs, and a city skyline on the horizon, this home connects modern elegance with nature's beauty. Number 4. This luxurious three-story villa is perched on a scenic hilltop plateau surrounded by majestic mountains and lush green forests. The architecture blends modern elegance with natural textures, featuring glass balconies, warm lighting, and sleek vertical slates. A smooth stone pathway leads to the entrance, framed by manicured lawns and ornamental plants. Beside the house, an infinity pool cascades into a waterfall overlooking the valley below. The golden sunset bathes the entire scene in warmth, while the surrounding nature, winding roads, rocky cliffs, and dense trees creates a peaceful, cinematic atmosphere. Number 5. This elegant two-story villa sits atop a scenic hill, surrounded by lush greenery and overlooking a peaceful lake. The architecture features clean white lines, large glass windows, and a grand entrance with wide stone steps. A beautiful stone wall and iron gate enclose the property, leading to a winding road through vibrant fields. The landscape includes manicured lawns, flowering plants, tall trees, and a serene pond with lily pads. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting warm reflections across the water. With distant hills and a clear sky, this home blends luxury with nature in perfect harmony. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of these stunning villas. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the perfect blend of modern luxury and natural beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more architectural inspiration. See you in the next video.